Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Baby daddy wa Karen Nyamu ni ekora handu haceke uringi ni undu wa relationship yake na Senator Mwamure Karen Nyamu kuria korwa ki reveal some secrets ciĩgiĩ relationship yao na kana hihi besides we gukorwa ari baby daddy kuri tumaundu tungi magikaga na Senator nditana kunengereria thiri iria DJ Sense uria thishia aki together na Karen Nyamu akorwa akirekereria njitikiria tu gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni wa guthie na mbere kunyitanira na ithwe. DJ Sense in a radio interview ni akorwo agitariria ati thici aki together na Karen Nyamu na akorwo roho akiumburania kana hihi ni gukire drama gatagati wake na Nyamu rire marakirera kairetu gaka kao. Agitariria how they met, akorirwo akiuga they met at a party na club akiruta wera na hau niho ndogo yao yanjiriirie gutari gute mahinda. In a past interview DJ Sense anahithuria ati relationship yake na Karen Nyamu yari very toxic na nikio matiganire makiria tondu ni anjitie ku affect their daughter, akiuga to this day ni makorirwo makirekanira na each and every one of them agikorwo agithie make.
I saw a picture, okay? And I just want to confirm with you, you know, we don't usually discuss are you in a relationship?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, we've discussed this, eh?
Yeah.
We talked about it just now in the last hour.
Yeah.
But bro, and for the life of me, I saw a picture of you and then here on the Mutandao with may I ask, I see here this Mheshimiwa Karen Nyamu. And then it says here that she describes her lukewarm relationship with her baby daddy. Sorry, are you her baby daddy?
Yes, I am.
Numero one.
Yeah. Hold on. How? How?
I see her daughter, her first baby, her daughter. That's my kid.
No.
No wonder.
No, you see, no, hold up. Wait a minute. No, listen. She is a whole kettle of fish. You're like cool, calm, collected. And then, she's all of this.
Yeah.
And you hear, how the hell what? Is that why you said that, you will never live with another woman? You can't live with anyone. You like your space.
No, I just like my space, man.
I can imagine because, I'm sorry, Prof. You see, but she looks like so much work. And then here you are, you're this dude. How did we meet? In school as well?
No. We actually met in my work line, Tamasha. I was playing at Tamasha. That's how we met.
The rest, as they say, is history.
Yeah.
Oh my God. The things that make you go, you know what, my brother? Cheers. Let me tell you, on that note, I think we need to spend a little bit more time with this guy.
Yeah, we
need to spend a little more time with this guy.
Yes.
And
no, but she's a nice person. She's a good mom. We co-parent. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
We're still friends?
There's no drama or whatever. We co-parent.
Right.
So, yeah.
And
there's no bad blood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you go for the fundraiser?
Which one?
The launch of the it's called what? Who's that Musani boss?
Some dough.
Yeah, foundation, Jana.
No.
You aren't playing for them?
We live completely separate lives. She has a life, I have mine, and we're cool with it.
Right.
But where we meet at the middle when it comes to the kid.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the only time we relate.
Bro, hey, we've discussed that story by the way. Remember somebody wrote in here on the court. Yeah. About you know what? Baby daddy always can always, get privileges.
There are no privileges.
It's for nothing.
No.
My guy.
I go and pick up my kid every week.
Yes.
We're cool. Pick her up, bring her back. That's it.
You've never seen Nani sitting there on the balcony with his guitar? Yes.
I actually met the guy. He's a really cool person.
Right?
But you see, there's no bad blood.
Bus.
This guy came much later, bro. He came much. Everyone is allowed to move out, right?
Which is true.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's no bad blood.